What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? What the f is this? Well, we got told that it's not really built not bought if we don't start from the ground up.
What are you making?
Well, iron ore. We'll make some steel.
Jeez, we've got a bit of work to do.
Oh my god, the backlash from the last video. It's bought, not built.
You didn't build that, you bought it. How's that? Built, not bought buys a vehicle that's already built.
Yeah, look, we've got to acknowledge the elephant in the room here. Yeah, I bought this vehicle. But guess what? My Patrol, I bought that before I built it too, which means this is just the beginning for this car. Also, there's this show that I've heard of. You may have heard of it, you may not. They're not that big. It's called Top Gear, I think it is. Anyway, I'm pretty sure I was watching one of their episodes and they were driving in second gear. It's just the name, people. So why a comp truck?
It's not every day an opportunity presents itself. An opportunity which can fulfill a childhood dream. And when your best mate wants to join you on that journey, you can't say no. I'm excited for what this project will bring. The ideas, the challenges, the hard work and dedication to transform something that is already so capable. This is a new beginning for Built Not Bought. With laws and regulations no longer a factor, who knows what the future may bring. I am anxious, nervous, but ready. Strap in, boys.